Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Hope you guys are having a great day. Wanted to bring you out to the water to check out our 2024 Harris 250 Cruiser. So we're going to start in the bow, work our way to the back, and also show you some unique features that you should check out just for the Cruiser lineup. So starting off, being the 250 Cruiser, this has a ton of seating space. So off to the starboard side, you have a giant lounger over here with 3 different compartments to store items in. Keep in mind that all of these seats are also on brackets. Now this is not something unique to the Cruiser line. This is just a Harris additive of having nice seats that you can easily get into all the compartments with. Now one thing I do want you to note is the center of the seats are actually open on the Cruiser model, which I think is really useful to either chuck your phone down in there if you don't want to throw it in a compartment, dock lines, little stuff like that, where you're not going to have that bolster in the way. Honestly, it does not hinder any type of comfortability, so I think it's a great additive for the Cruiser lineup. But let's go ahead and move a little bit further back. We do have a center ski locker storage area, which fits inside of a 27-inch tune. So that is a huge amount of storage. You can fit the cover in there, you can fit your fenders in there, all sorts of different items. It's a great spot to hide all that stuff away and not take up your seat storage, where you're gonna have that easy access. Then over here you have our changing room door. You can lift this guy up, give you a little bit more storage down here, or if you wanted to add the optional changing room door, you can do that as well. Now going over to our helm station. Love how they redesigned this in 2024. Gives you a couple different things. For one, it gives you a ton of leg room underneath the steering wheel. You also do have a tilt steering wheel on this, so standing up at the helm is going to be super easy. I actually kind of like to stand up at the helm when I'm docking. Makes me see a lot more. So love that feature. Then we have one of the new Simrad NSX screens. This is amazing. It's super easy to use. It's pretty much like clicking apps on your phone. So everything is very seamless just to go ahead, go back to our engine screen and have all that information right there. Now, of course, this also does have under seat lighting, and it also does have an electric bimini top. So if you're going for maximum laziness and just super ease of use, all you got to do is unlock these poles, fold that top down, and you're done. So that is it. Now, coming over to our L bench here. Again, tons of storage. You still have that open bolster seat design, which I think is, again, very useful. But we also have our sun lounger back here. I love this feature. It's super easy to rock this back and forth. And as you can see, to the Cruiser and Sunliner lineup, it's only this 2/3 of the seat that's going to move around, okay? But still give you plenty of room to lounge out and even have an additional couple people doing whatever they want to as well. Now coming back to the stern, this is where my favorite part of this boat is at. If you can hear that rumble, that deep rumble, it is from the 250 horsepower Mercury V8, okay? This thing has so much torque and so much horsepower. It is phenomenal. It's so much fun to drive this thing around. I really wish that my boat had this motor on the back of it because it is a ton of fun. It doesn't even feel like a pontoon boat anymore. So whether you're looking just to cruise around and have a quiet day, you can turn the sport exhaust off and be nice and quiet, or like it is now, keep it on so everybody knows that you have a V8. Then coming over to the last piece here, we do have for all of the Harris models a cooler storage area. So that just self-drains into the lake, allows you to have all your drinks and everything right there on the boat. Make it super easy for you. But anyways, guys, again, my name is Connor, and I'm with MarineMax Lake Wylie. If you guys have any questions at all or would like to schedule a demo, just let us know. Thank you for watching.